Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to follow an artist on Spotify. First, open Spotify on your computer. At the top of the screen, you'll see the search option. Click on the search box and type the name of the artist you want to follow. For this example, let's search for an artist. After entering the artist's name, press enter on your keyboard. Spotify will now show you the search results. Look for the artist section and find the artist you want to follow. Click on the artist's name or profile picture to open their artist profile. Once the artist profile opens, you'll see information about the artist, including their songs, albums, and other content. Now look near the top of the artist's profile for the follow button. Click on follow. Spotify will now follow this artist from your account. Following an artist is useful because Spotify can keep you updated about their new music and releases. You can also find the artists you follow from your Spotify library or by searching for their profiles again. If you ever want to stop following an artist, simply return to the artist's profile and click the same button again. The button will change back, allowing you to unfollow the artist. So let's quickly recap. Open Spotify, click search, enter the artist's name, open the artist's profile and click follow. That's all you need to do to follow an artist on Spotify. Thanks for watching. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Spotify tutorials.